What's the meaning of brain damaged? Brain damaged. Brain damaged.
Brain damaged. Brain damaged. The term brain damaged refers to an injury or damage caused to the brain, which can result in various physical, mental, and emotional impairments. These can range from mild cognitive difficulties like memory loss, attention deficits, or language impairments to severe disabilities such as paralysis, comas, or even death. Brain damage can be caused by a wide variety of factors, including traumatic injuries, infections, tumors, strokes, and degenerative diseases. The extent and severity of the damage can vary depending on the cause and the area of the brain affected. Treatment options may include rehabilitation, medication, surgery, and other therapies aimed at improving the patient's quality of life.